Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 7.12. Integral log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x between the limits minus 1 and plus 1. So first it looks of the form integral of u dv. So we'll identify the u and dv. So u is going to be equal to log of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x, and dv is going to be equal to dx. So v is directly, we can write this because integral of dx, so this is going to be x. Now let's compute what is du. So du's computation, so first this is going to be, we are going to apply a chain rule to this particular function. So if you differentiate it, this is 1 divided by 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x into d by dx of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x. So this I'm taking it on the top. So 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x. Now this is of the form u by v. So I'm directly applying in the formula. Remember the denominator is v square. So 2 plus x the whole square. Then it is going to be v minus du. Sorry, v into u dash. So 2 plus x into u dash is going to be equal to minus 1 minus of u v dash. So it is going to be 2 minus x into v dash is just 1. So if you simplify, so this is going to be 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x into, this is going to be minus 2 minus x. Here this is minus 2 plus x. The whole thing divided by 2 plus x the whole squared. So if you see, the plus x and minus x will get cancelled. One of this term and one of this will get cancelled. So the final answer that you will see is minus 4 divided by x plus 2 into 2 minus x. I am bringing the negative sign down here. So this can be written as 4 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2 dx. So now this is what we are going to put it in du. So du is going to be equal to 4 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now let's perform the actual integration. Remember integration by parts. So u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. So on substitution, uv, so this is x into log of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x minus integral v du. So this is going to be 4x divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2 dx. So there will be a dx here too. So now let's do this integration. Remember, nowhere we are applying the limits. We have yet to work on it. So first let's finish all this. After that we can apply the limits. So this part we have finished the integration. We will apply the limits. So I'm going to mark this as x log of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x, where the limits have to be applied, minus 1 and plus 1. Now this part I'm going to treat this as I1. So here it is 4x divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2 dx. The limit is actually minus 1 to plus 1. So forget the limits. So first let's finish this integration. This is in the form of partial fraction. So let's perform that. So a divided by x plus 2 plus b divided by x minus 2 is equal to 4x divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2. So this means this will imply a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 2 will be equal to, after taking the LCM only we will compare the numerator. So now let's put x is equal to 2, which means a will vanish. So b into 4 is going to be equal to 4. So b is equal to 1. Now let's put x is equal to minus 2. So a into minus 4 is equal to minus 4. So a is also equal to 1. Now let's put this in the integration back. So this is x log of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x between the limits minus 1 and 1 plus, I'm going to substitute this value of a and 1. So here there is a negative sign, so we'll also put the negative sign here directly. So this is going to be minus of, remember this is integral of minus 1 to 1, a value is 1, so 1 divided by x plus 2 dx plus b value is also going to be 1. So 1 divided by x minus 2 dx between the limits minus 1 and plus 1. Remember, this negative sign is for this whole integration. So for now I'm putting this inside a bracket. So now let's simplify this integration further. So this is going to be between limits x log of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x or x plus 2 between the limits minus 1 and 1, and in this case I'm applying the negative sign. So this is going to be integral of minus 1 to 1 by x plus 2 dx, again a negative sign between minus 1 and 1 divided by x minus 2 dx. So now let's simplify and apply the limit. So here I'm going to retain it for some more time. So x into log of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x between the limits minus 1 and 1. In this case it is minus 1 divided by x plus 2 is actually log of x plus 2. Here the limit is minus 1 to 1 minus of, here again I have to put, so this is going to be log of x minus 2 between the limits minus 1 and 1. So now let's start to apply the limits. So if I apply the first one here, the upper limit is going to be 1 into log of 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Now minus the lower limit. When I apply a negative sign, this negative and minus 1 will become plus. So this is 1 into log of, now 2 minus of minus 1 is 3. So this is going to be 3 divided by 2 minus 1. So this is going to be log 3. Now in this case it is minus of, let's apply the upper and lower limit for this. So here this is going to be log of 3 then minus of log of 1. Now again a minus sign. Here let's apply the upper limit. So this is going to be log of 1 minus 2. So this is going to be minus of 1. Then minus, you are going to have a log of minus 3. So now let's remove the bracket and work on simplification. So this is going to be log of 1 by 3 plus log 3, that is for the first integration. Now I'm applying a minus sign, so minus log 3 plus log 1. Then you have a minus of, here it is going to be log 1 again, so this is log 1. Then minus of minus, there is going to be a plus log 3. So now let's simplify. So this, when I cancel out, this is going to be log 3 minus log 3. Log 1 and log 1, they're all 0 either way. So here this is going to be equal to log of 1 by 3 plus log of 3. Now you need to remember the property log of a by b. This can be written as log a minus log b, and there is a log 3 here, so then plus log 3. So minus log 3 and plus log 3 we can cancel. Log 1 is the answer, but remember log 1 is equal to 0. So this entire integration's value is going to be equal to 0. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.